trying to cure an old hangover. It's gonna be a rough one, had a little too much fun. Hell, it hurts getting older. I can't drink like I used to, swore I'd never do last night ever again. But it starts with a text from a friend that says the band is going on at 10. And then I'm back at the bar, shooting the whiskey, tipping over tipsy, throwing down 20s. I'm back at the bar, an amateur pool shark, no good at throwing darts, but I'll shoot the bullet and hit the maker's mark. I don't wanna hear lighters call, I'm having a good time. Tomorrow's gonna be hard, I'm back at the bar. It's just one of those mornings, ibuproven's loaded, Gatorade's taking its time. Got a nice pack from the freezer, eating anything greasier than drive-through fast food french fries. Can't recover like I used to, swore I'd never do last night ever again. But it's my buddy's birthday, and we gotta celebrate. Throw some B12s back, and like that, I'm back at the bar, shooting the whiskey, tipping over tipsy, throwing down 20s. I'm back at the bar, an amateur pool shark, no good at throwing darts, but I'll shoot the bullet and hit the maker's mark. I don't wanna hear lighters call, I'm having a good time. Tomorrow's gonna be hard, I'm back at the bar. I'm back at the bar, shooting the whiskey, tipping over tipsy, throwing down 20s. I'm back at the bar, an amateur pool shark, no good at throwing darts, but I'll shoot the bullet and hit the maker's mark. I don't wanna hear last call, I'm having a good time. Tomorrow's gonna be hard, I'm back at the bar. I'm back at the bar. Tomorrow's gonna be hard, I'm back at the bar.
Let's learn Back at the Bar. It's choreographed by Laurent Chalon. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with tags on the end of walls 2 and 6. I'm going to turn on and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before talking about what the tag is. And then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Back at the Bar. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right. We're going to step our right foot to the side, cross our left foot behind our right, step your right foot to the side. Now you're going to take your left toe and you're going to touch it across your right. We're now going to step our left to the left side and touch your right toe across your left. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left toe behind your right. Let's try that with some counts, starting with your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. We're going to step our left foot to the side, cross our right foot behind our left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to do a small scuff with your right heel on the floor. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to tap your left toe behind your right, step back with your left, and tap your right heel forward. Let's try it with some counts. We would have ended with our weight on our right foot and our left toe tap behind. Grapevine quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot back, recover onto your left foot. We're now going to step forward with our right. We're going to do a half pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot. And now we're going to do a rocking chair Rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left. Rock your right foot back, recover forward on your left. Let's try it with some counts. Our right heel is forward, weight is on your left foot, we're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. We're going to do 2 cross points in a jazz box in place. So we're going to cross our right foot forward and slightly across our left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly across your right. Point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step back with your left. Step your right foot to the side, and you're going to cross your left over your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts, your 2 cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your vine with your touch across. Side, behind, side, touch across, side, touch across, side, tap behind, side, behind, quarter scuff, step tap, back heel, rock back, recover, step half pivot, rocking chair, cross point, and jazz box with a cross, staying at this wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of walls 2 and 6. Both times it will be facing 6 o'clock or our back wall. All you're going to add on is 2 side touches. So when we finish and we do that jazz box, we're just going to add step right, touch left, step left, touch right. And that is the tag. Nice 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both first times that we do that back wall. So now let's go around. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we'll do those counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your grapevine with a touch across. Grapevine with a touch across. Side touch across. Side touch behind. Grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. Step, tap, back, heel, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, right rocking chair, cross point, and your jazz box with a cross. Now your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add your tag, side touch, grapevine with your point across. Step, point across, step, touch behind, side, behind, quarter turn with a scuff, step, tap, back, heel, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, rocking chair, cross points, and jazz box with a cross. Now your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine with your touch across, side touch behind. Grapevine quarter turn with a scuff, step, tap, back, heel, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, rocking chair, cross point, and jazz box. We'll do a tag at the end of this wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine with your touch across, side touch behind. Grapevine quarter turn with a scuff, step, tap, back heel, rock back, recover, half pivot, rocking chair, cross points, and jazz box in place. and that is the whole dance. So now our final wall is going to be our side wall. You will dance from the back to face here. When you're doing that wall, you're going to change our jazz box into a jazz box quarter turn to end facing the front. So on that one wall, you're just gonna go cross, back, quarter, forward, and then I like to step to the side to end the dance. But as long as you're facing here, you can just end the dance facing 12 o'clock. So I hope this helped you learn back at the bar. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.